How's it going, guys? Welcome back to the channel for a very exciting video. As you see in the title and judging by the little intro at the beginning, we have finally got a set of wheels for the Mk7 GTI. If you're a longtime viewer, you'll know I've had the Golf for probably almost 3 years now, and I wasn't in a position to buy wheels, but I've been looking for months and months and months, trying to find the design that I want, the color that I want, the brand. Do I want something that just looks cool but cheap? Do I want something with a little bit of performance, like weight savings? I decided to go kind of middle of the pack, and we ended up with a set of Konig Lockouts. So these are a pretty basic brand, basic wheel. You can get these pretty much anywhere. I had a hard time getting this exact model. I actually put in an order somewhere else and it was canceled because they were out of stock. Ended up finding these on a wheel website and decided to pick them up. They come in black or bronze. I decided to go with the black. Bronze is a great color, but I wanted the black because I just feel like it works well with the carbon steel, gray, metallic, whatever the color of the GTI is. And these really are just a beautiful set of wheels. The finish is great. This is the design that I wanted. You know, the single spokes throughout, no directional things. This is exactly what I was looking for. I think it looks like a track-oriented wheel, but it's just kind of a basic, you know, everyday driving the car to work wheel. So it'll look cool, and they don't weigh too much. They weigh about 18 pounds each, which isn't too bad. You will notice that we don't have tires yet. Decided to go get the wheels first, so if you do have tire recommendations, drop them down in the comments below. I'm just really excited to have these, especially like a wheel that I wanted, you know, one that I picked out, like with the Miata and the RPF ones. They're a great wheel, but I found them used and I knew they would work fine. They weren't like my first choice, but it was just like, okay, I'm gonna get them. With these, I've been looking used for the Golf and didn't really find anything that I wanted. Almost pulled the trigger on one set, but I was like, am I compromising? Yes, I am compromising. So figured I'd just take a step back, look for a set of wheels that I really wanted, brand new, in the box, shipped to my door, and this is what I ended up with. So we will be getting a little bit of performance out of these based on the size. So these are 18, which is the stock size that I have right now. The Pretorias are 19, but I decided to just stick with 18 to get a little bit more tire. They're 18 by 8.5, so we get about an inch more width on each wheel. Bolt pattern 5 by 112, and the offset of these is plus 43 millimeters, so we shouldn't need to run spacers anymore, and they should fit like perfect. This is like a really good size for your Golf Rs and Golf GTIs, so really should be a perfect size. And since my car is lowered and I plan on at some point in the future going to coilovers, the tire size that I'm gonna get right now is probably gonna be a 235/40. That should be good. It's 10 millimeters wider on each tire as well, because I think the stock wheels are 225. So all of our wheels are gonna be a little bit wider. We should have a little bit more grip. Comfort-wise, it should be about the same depending on the tire that I decide to pick up. But like I said, drop a comment below and let me know. I've been looking at, you know, Pirelli's, Michelin, you know, General, RS, all that stuff. I need like a daily-ish tire, not a summer tire, because this car gets, you know, driven in the winter, in the rain. It's an everyday car, so I want that balance of, you know, like a touring tire, a GT tire, something that if I want to take it to the track, it'll be fine for a track day, but also I'm going to be driving to work every single day on the highway. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox one more of these for you guys, just so you can see how they're packaged and everything like that. And then we're gonna do a little test fit on the GTI, so get ready for that. So I'll just say right now, you're probably gonna notice that in the next clip, probably in the first clip and the next clip, different clothes, different days. Not that you guys really care too much, but this has been a long day of waiting. You guys know, like, when you order something big, you're just like sitting there waiting for the FedEx guy to come or the UPS guy to come. And it was one of those like, your delivery time is from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. It ended up coming at 5:30. I had like things I had to do this evening. So it's been a long day of waiting, but I haven't had a new set of wheels. Actually, I haven't had a new set of wheels since like 2008. So it's just really exciting. It's really exciting to just like open up a fresh box, fresh wheels. It's got all the protecting things on it like you'd expect. I mean, you get the same thing everywhere, but we've got our nice little hair net. I'd wear it, but I'm bald, so don't need to worry about that. Obviously, here is our wheel, 18 inches by 8.5, just like we talked about earlier. Super glossy. They're pretty light, like I said, like 18 pounds really isn't too bad. I don't know the size or the weight of the stock wheels, and I know that tires have a little bit of, you know, they add up tire-wise. You can buy heavy tires and lighter tires, but for daily driving, these are gonna be totally fine. I don't think we're gonna have any like too much extra rotational mass or anything like that. And right here in the bottom, we have our center caps. They just pop in, obviously. We gotta put our little stickies on. But enough with the chit chat, let's take some beauty shots of these and then do a test fit on the Golf. Alright, so here it is. The front wheel is test fitted. I don't have enough wood to do the back, so we're just going to stick with the front for now. So there's a comparison of the back Austin wheel. I did a little research and I think these were like 25-ish pounds for just the wheel. Like I said, the Konig Lockouts are 18 pounds, so we're going to be saving close to like 40-ish pounds overall in rotational mass, which is cool. So here it is, the 18 by 8.5 Konig Lockout. I took the spacer off inside, and here's what it looks like. This is exactly what I wanted. So black with the red caliper, we have the black with the red logo, black mirror. It just looks super cool, and once we have a tire on there, it's gonna look so much better. Just there's the shot right there. As far as flushness goes, without the spacer, we've definitely got plenty of room. That's, you know, straight to the ground right there. And there's our wheel, so plenty of room. Plenty of room around the caliper, and this is the Performance Pack caliper, so it's the bigger one. Fits fine. It looks so nice. I'm so stoked. I need to get tires as quickly as possible. This is about the height it'll be. I cut this wood to try to match the profile of the stock tire, and it's pretty close, but we should have plenty of room for a tire right up here. I am on lowering springs, so there it is. That looks so good. I'm so stoked. So I'm sorry if I'm finishing up this video stuffy. I've had like an allergy attack coming out here, but well worth it. Super stoked on the wheels. Like I said, really need tires. I'm thinking for the rear, we should be able to do the smaller spacer that was in the front on the rear, because the rear has a larger spacer. The front fitment is like perfect for dailying. It's close-ish to flush with a 235 tire, should fit totally fine. and we'll be on our way. For the back, 235 tire as well with the small front spacer, and I think we'll be perfect. So here's your last look. Really, really cool. Close up here of the fitment, things like that. You know, offset is good. Probably could have gone with like a close to 40 if you wanted super, super flush. I'm sorry about my neighbors. They've been trying to start their junk car for the last like hour. So forget the back wheel, and there it is. I am super stoked to get some tires on and get this on the road. But otherwise, we'll roll with it for now and figure it out in the end. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you are as excited as I am. If you have seen this before, it's probably because you follow me on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, it is @coloredinlight. Go follow me, sneak peeks to things and all that stuff. I'm going to wrap this up and just take it in. So thanks so much for joining. If you are new to the channel, be sure you go down below, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments below, and I will see you in the next one.